I still have 40 kilometers range remaining, but at some point I'm gonna have to fill up petrol. The chai place is not very far away, it's 1.3 kilometers, so I'm gonna reach there in about 5 minutes. If this is the traffic situation on a weekend, can't imagine what it must be on the weekday. We take a left. And now go straight and then take a left. Junction is full of water. Okay, we're out of the chaos. I'm refraining from using the rear brake because the brake pads are almost over. I have to get it changed, so I'm going to do that in a day or two. Wow, look at this moonland. Crazy, look at this. I need to take a left from here. Okay, I'm gonna have to plan this if I don't want my shoes to get wet. Okay, the car went over this area, so this area should be fine. Pothole madness. Oh, there it is, high on chai. Good, and they've got nice parking also, so that worry is not there. Okay. It's raining a little bit. It's drizzling actually, it's not raining. Good evening guys from Pune. It is 8:15 and we just done with our chai, so we're going back home. Today we are going to be having burgers for dinner. We have to pick up some things for that, and then we will make some yummy paneer burgers. So we will pick up some paneer, we'll pick up some lettuce, some cheese slices and some buns. So basically everything. We've got sauces at home, so we will use those sauces and make ourselves an amazing dinner of burgers. People are dressed up in traditional attire. I'm guessing they're coming back from a Dandiya event. And see Mohini, this place shut down. Hippie at heart. One of the events that are going on, I think it's a Dandiya event on the left. A lot of rush. Wow, there's a stage concert or something. Sinonas, you get amazing sourdough bread over there. And yeah, I want to show you guys what my area looks like, although it's a bit rainy. So this is the main junction. Lamborghini Urus, nice, very nice. Although under the skin of the Urus is an Audi Q8. Did you know? Some of the videos that I've seen about Urus, you can actually see the Audi logo hidden here and there, which is a bit funny. It's not raining very hard. We are carrying our Zeal rainwear today, so nothing to worry. Even if it decides to come down hard, I think the rainwear should take care of it. I'm in the mood for some snacks like pav bhaji, etc. So let's see where we can have pav bhaji right now. I think once this metro line starts, it's going to become a lot more convenient to go to the city center of Pune, because the traffic is just pathetic. I don't mind the traffic, but it's the constant bombarding of people's stupidity that gets onto my nerves when I'm doing 15 kilometers of travel in the city. So yeah, I would really like the metro line to start soon. Let's see.